driver out there. Okay, we got C58B2, 2 items.
New message from Harley K. I got my order. New message from Harley.
So I said, didn't you just give a delivery out?
Yes, Harley K. Did he come and pick up his own order?
Harley K?
C58B2?
Yep, she came and she picked up her own order and she said something about, we didn't know you could do that, but then she came back and said something about she pays Uber or Uber is supposed to give her a free sandwich.
I have no idea.
And the bag was open, so we found that suspicious.
Okay.
So we were like, okay, and then finally she left because we told her we don't know what the agreement is between, everything we do is on the app.
That's right, exactly. And me too, come to pick it up and...
Did you want it? We can remake it for you, so you don't lose out on it. We can remake it for you if you're going to deliver it.
Yeah, that'd be fine.
And it was a local deluxe and a sausage egg?
Yes. Thanks. Okay. Okay, so a person came and got their own order.